If you love decadent desserts like I do, you're going to love what we're making today. It's a homemade brownie topped with a rich peanut butter filling and finished with a layer of fudge. I have to warn you though, these may cause you to feel weak in the knees and you might even drool a bit while you're waiting for your first bite. If that's okay with you, then let's get started. We begin by making a homemade brownie batter, which we'll pour into a pan and bake until it passes the toothpick test. As these bake and cool, we'll make our to die for filling. It's simply some peanut butter and powdered sugar that we beat together until it's nice and fluffy. This gets spread over our baked brownies. Then to make these over the top good, we finish them with a 3-ingredient chocolate glaze that is pure decadence. Once all the layers are set up, cut it into squares and serve. If your house is anything like mine, there'll be a line out the door as soon as they get a whiff of them. To get the recipe for our Buckeye Brownies, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fudgy good way for you to say